Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Instagram following problem. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search. Right here, you're going to find the Reels section and also your profile section. So basically, guys, if you have this following problem, you might just have a problem with your internet connection. So make sure that you are connected to a good internet. If you are already connected to good internet and you still have this problem, then follow the steps I'm going to show you. So you can just leave Instagram, make sure to close it, and then go to your settings on your phone. Once you're here on the settings, go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find apps or applications. And then once you're here, you're going to find a list that includes all of your installed apps on your device. So go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find Instagram. So once you find Instagram, go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to be here. Once you're here, you're going to find all of the settings related to this application. Scroll down until you find storage, and then go ahead and click on it. Once you're here on storage, here at the bottom, you're going to find two options, clear data and also clear cache. So go ahead and click on clear cache, and then go back and open Instagram, and then your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.